Welcome to Dr. Khadar lifestyle. Today I am going to show you how to prepare millet vegetable idli. It's a very simple and easy process. I have chosen Browntop millets for this preparation. This can be done with any millets. First of all, we need to take 4 glasses of millets. Add some water. Wash it. And strain it with the help of a steel strainer. Add structured water for soaking. Now take 1 glass of urad dal. Pour some water. Wash. And strain the water. Add water for soaking the urad dal. Cover the vessels with lid. After soaking them for 6 hours, wash the urad dal and discard the water. Now, take the millet soaked water into another vessel. We will use the same soaked water for grinding. Now, take the mixer jar and add millets, urad dal, and soaked millet water. If you think you are not getting soft idlis, you can add soaked methi seeds or same kind of poha while making the batter. After making the batter, transfer it into a vessel. Add salt to it and mix it well. Keep a lid on it and let it ferment for 6 hours. After 6 hours, the batter fermented nicely like this. Mix the batter well. Instead of using rava, I prefer to prepare the batter like this because the same batter can be used for idli, dosa or appam so that it will not be bored and we can serve different food items anytime with same batter. For vegetable idli preparation, we can choose any vegetables of our choice. Here I have taken onions, capsicum, carrot, coriander and curry leaves. First take a kadai and add oil. After heating oil, add mustard seeds, curry leaves and fry them a little. Now first add onions. And then carrot and capsicum. Mix it well. Add salt as per your taste. And fry it well. Now leave the vegetables to cool down. Add the vegetables to the batter and mix it well. Grease the idli plates and pour the batter into it. Add water into idli maker. And keep the idli stand into it. Close the lid. And cook for 10 minutes. Now the vegetable idli is ready. You can have it with any chutney of your choice. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Khadar Lifestyle. Press the below bell icon to get notifications.